G'day, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for subscribing and for the likes we've had. It's been quite the experience. Thoroughly enjoying the feedback. So today we are looking at the Aputure AL-MX, the mini bio light. Get into it. It's a beautiful box that Aputure presents. Got the seal of approval. Ooh, that felt good. Okay, we've got some kindling for the fire to get started. Oh, nice little bag. Wasn't expecting a bag. That's good. Looks like you can store your cables separately and your you got a little carabiner too. Pop this on your jeans next to your keys. Got your magnetic diffusion, and then some Velcro, male and female hook and loop style 3M schmergs. Got some beautiful old USB to USB-C. Get some Aputure rubber bands. Oh, you got a nice little swivel head. Always do with more of them. And the size adapter, so if you only have little threads. So that looks quite good. Feels nice and sturdy. Feels very similar to any of the small rig ones, but slightly different, more matte finish to a small rig one. Very similar size, just probably a larger kind of screw for the cold shoe. But that looks lovely. Very well done. Oh, gee, it's a tiny little fella. That's cool. It's heavy. Feels firm as. I will ensure that this soft plastic gets recycled at the relevant space. Now that is cool. That is a beefy, solid heatsink at the back there. Yeah, that means business. That is definitely adding weight wherever you put it. USB-C port on the side. There you go. I cannot tell you how solid this thing feels. It's actually quite exciting. Got a little buzz on. Obviously got all the LEDs there. And the magnets just go straight onto those screws there. So you got the diffusion panel there. I think you could easily bump that, but it is on pretty hard. Let's see if we got any charge on this fella. Oh, they want me to peel that off. That's quite a thick. Oh, that stops it from sliding. Very good. Okay, let's whack her on. Oh, it's got a bit of charge. Always like a bit of free energy. So that's quite bright. Let's have a look. So cooler down, cooler right down, warmer up. So about 4 steps, 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 steps. We'll go into dim mode, so you can kind of slightly smoother adjustments. And then there is a boost, which I believe gets you 30% brighter for 60 seconds or so. And I'm guessing that'll nail your battery. So I'll turn off the above light. So that's the aperture lighting the scene. Just change the color temp. Oh, obviously the iPhone's adjusting to that too. Apologies for that. And then I'll go back to the other light. So I'll have to take the iPhone off auto for that. Yeah, first impressions. It is a little beast. Absolute solid as a rock. If you're walking late night in the street and you wanted to light up your walk, I think you could be very comfortable in bashing any potential assailant who tried to jump you walking late at night with this thing. It is solid. It'd be very interesting to know how hot the heatsink got after a full bit of use. So I'll check that out on the next job I use it on. I'll spin this on. So you could whack that on a stand or on the top of a camera. It would add a fair bit of weight to a camera if you're going to use it as an on-camera light. There's definitely larger panels with less weight, but no, these will be good for just background scene for interviews or kind of actuals in the background. So very impressed. Aputure, breathtaking. I've got nothing else to say. Well done. Gonna see how long it takes to charge up fully, and then might do a little test on how long it actually runs for. There you have it. What a beauty. Thumbs up.